This Whirlpool design, with its 190-liter capacity and 3-star energy rating, makes it a complete value-for-money product. Coming to you with expanded storage capacity, it allows you to store large and small utensils comfortably. The recessed pocket handle on top of the door makes its use very easy and plain sailing. Enjoy fast ice as this refrigerator is capable of reaching coldest temperatures with minimum energy consumption. The product offers a large crisper for storing more fruits and vegetables so that you never run out of stock. The product offers a rotary compressor that lasts a long time, ensuring optimal cooling and energy consumption. Transparent bins and shelves not only make the design more aesthetic but also allow comfortable usage. This refrigerator comes with a 1-year warranty on product and 5 years on compressor. You can choose from various attractive EMI and exchange offers on Amazon.in. We also coordinate with a brand and take care of the installation and demo for a hassle-free buying experience. Exchange offer valid in select pin codes only. This product is available in 2 colors, solid grey and blue.